Hey guys, first of all, whoever is celebrating this festival of lights, a very happy Diwali to all of you. I have got you this look right here, which is a perfect blend of tradition and elegance, as well high-end and low-end products. I really hope you guys enjoy this. Keep on watching to how to achieve this very elegant and colorful halo eyes, which is not difficult to achieve at all. Take care, stay blessed, and have a wonderful day. On to the tutorial. Hi guys. Starting off with this facial mist onto my skin, spraying it all over my face. And for my primer, I chose this primer because this is a wonderful hydration giving primer. And the way my skin looks after I use this, just look at it. It is such healthy looking and glowing skin. And for my foundation, I chose two of these because one is a tad bit lighter, that by Terry one, and the Dior one is a tad bit darker. But when I mix these two in, it is like almost the perfect shade. And I use this It Cosmetics brush to blend it in because this brush works like magic, you guys. This is a wonderful, wonderful brush to blend in your foundation or concealers and things like that. For my concealer, this is the OG, the Tarte Shape Tape. For underneath my eyes, I'm using this just to highlight and conceal the dark circles. And I blend it in with my beauty blender. Moving on to bronzer, I am using this Nude Sticks bronzer. This is not as dark, but this adds some, like I was going to say bronze, this adds some warmth on my skin, which I really like, and some definition. So I'm applying it on the perimeters of my face. I'm sorry, blending it in with my beauty blender again. Now it's time to set the underneath my eye concealer with this Huda Beauty powder. You guys, this powder is really, really good. Like, especially this shade, the banana bread. It is wonderful. Now to set the cream bronzer, I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. This is quite a new product and I am using the shade Tan, which is a little darker for me, but it actually works as a bronzer and a contour as well. Now, oh my god, I almost dropped it and my heart almost missed a bit. This is the new Natasha Denona I Need a Glow highlighter. This highlighter is so yum, you guys. I mean, so you just have to be specific with which brush you use this highlighter with because this is quite stiff. But if you use this appropriate brush like I'm using here, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter brush. This gives that beautiful highlight, you guys. For blush, I'm using this OG MAC blush by MAC, of course, the gingerly blush. This is very, very, very flattering on our skin. Here I am just cleaning up the contour and the bronzer underneath my cheekbones using that same Huda Beauty powder. And while I bake, I will be moving on to my eyebrows. This is a really, really good eyebrow pencil, you guys. This stays on. This color, the universal dark brown, is a really good shade for me. So I just applied the usual way, filling in the gaps, giving it a shape, and using the spoolie to spread it out. And to set my eyebrows, I am going to be using this Milk Makeup Kush Brow Gel. This is quite new to me. I have just got my hands on it. And this is such a gorgeous eyebrow gel, you guys. Just look at it. I just want to say it, guys, it is like 2 a.m. in the morning. So if I am just like missing a few words, please bear with me. So now I'm using this Hourglass ambient lighting powder to brush off the baking powder. This is how you do not end up with a very matte looking face. Jumping straight onto my eyes. As always, whenever I'm doing a glam look, I use an eye primer. This is the Mank Painterly Paint Pot. And I chose this Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette because of the color range, and it goes really well with the attire that I'm wearing. Here I am using that peachy orangey shade on my crease, just on my crease, and blending it upwards a little bit, as you can see here. So you can choose any color which your attire allows you to. Play with the colors, guys, you will love it. So this palette also has this beautiful change of oranges, reds, and metallics. I love this palette too. So here I am thinking of creating a halo eyes. Just keep on looking so you will understand the process. First I applied this metallic orangey shade in the middle part of my eyes, and then I picked up this red shade which I'm applying on the outer corner and in the inner corner. See, just like this. And blending it with the middle part. I mean the orangey glittery shade. Then to deepen up the furthermost corner and the innermost corner of our eyes, I'm using this dark shade which will create this beautiful depth like you can see here. Then again, just to intensify the middle part of my eye, I am using this gorgeous sparkly golden, orangish golden shade. I really love the way it turned out, you guys. So here I am using the same shade which we used on our crease at first, just to blend out all the harsh edges. And this eyelash by Primark, which costs just £5. Just see how gorgeous it looks. Here for the bottom lashes, we are repeating the same eyeshadows exactly in the same order. The middle, I put that orangey glittery shade, and then on the outer corner I use the red one gradually, and in the farther outer corner of my eyes I will be using that dark brown eyeliner just in the outer corner and winging it out a little bit. You have to trust the process of doing an eyeshadow, you guys. It is not difficult at all. If you just follow, maybe I am not being able to explain it properly, but just keep on watching. You will understand. Here I'm just applying that same dark eyeshadow and creating a fake wing like that. Now moving on to my lips, I am lining it first with this MAC lip liner. I cannot remember the name. And here we go. Lipstick number 1. This is a beautiful shade by NYX, but this is not the exact color which I was looking for. So I will mix in the second lip shade by Pomegranate. This is also a wonderful shade. In the bullet you cannot see it exactly, but on your lips you can see it. It's beautiful. But right after I apply it and blended it with my fingers, I feel like something is missing. And right there, it comes lipstick number 3. This is also by NYX, and this was the last thing that we needed. Tapping and blending. And oh, look at that shade. Perfect. And here I have put on a necklace and putting on my dupatta, and we are all set, you guys. Look at that look. I am in love with the way the look has turned out. I really hope you guys enjoy it too. Use whichever color goes with your attire. It really doesn't matter. Hope you all have a wonderful Diwali. Love you. Take care. Bye.